The stock market is crashing. It's red, red, red. Coronavirus everywhere. Today we're talking about what went down this morning, the live stream, and all that fun stuff right here in this video on the #1 day trading channel, talking about the futures, talking about the overall market, and some of the stocks that we identified this morning during the live stream. If you guys haven't tuned in for the live stream before, it starts at 8:50 a.m. right here on the channel. It's free for all subscribers and everybody alike, but it's definitely even better if you're a subscriber because you get notified when I do go live, so don't miss out on that. But let's talk about what went down, the action this morning. It's wild. It's crazy. The market's crashing. Everybody's worried. Everyone's really, really worried. There's a lot of fear, and there's not much greed going on. Let's talk about it right here. Let's go. All right, what's going on, fam? What's good? It's Monday morning, Mega Money Mondays. Today, making, what am I at? $283 trading this morning. Missed out on some pretty good opportunities this morning. Was a little distracted from the live stream, not going to lie. Sometimes I just get into the mood where I just get talkative and I start talking and I don't actually trade. But hey, I'm happy. I'm green. The market's red. The market's crashing, but I'm still green, and that's why we are trading futures, because there's so many opportunities. But there's also some opportunities today in the equities market as well. So we talked about, let's take a look. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look. So big, massive gap down in the market today. You can see, what was it? Closing on Friday there at the 334 area, and then today all the way down there to 3,230. So massive drop, and then this morning kind of bouncing around. Yesterday just falling off a cliff after gapping down, finding some support there at the 3,300 kind of support resistance, kind of going sideways for a little bit, and then just crashing after that. Look at this, nothing but red for quite some time, all the way down here. And then today, this morning, right now we're kind of losing that support there. We had a little bit of support showing here at the 352 area. Look at it now down there, 347. That was a short that I was looking for earlier. I was looking for this to get short in this range, looking for a pullback, and look at it now down there to the 47. So got a little bit of a bounce. We got some resistance here at the 260 area right now. Currently that 260 area resistance. So that's pretty obvious. Okay, bam, double top there, pullback, and then breaking down below this support here at the, the 252 area, we'll just call it 250, 251, 252. But you can see how we're in that channel for a little bit of time. In this channel, going sideways, little bit of a double top there. We can almost like a triple top, but double top and then breaking down. So that would have been the entry right there. Break down below that 250, get short, and now down there to 247. Like I said before, normally looking for either a resistance break or a support break, and vice versa. It was a little early on this trade here, but still was able to manage it and get out for a win. And then now, look at it, push back up there, and then really just a beautiful move after that. I was actually on the phone when I saw this happening. I was like, oh, I should have jumped in there. I should have grabbed that one, but hey, it is what it is. But one thing that I'll tell you right now that, as easy, it seems like it, it's like, oh, this looks easy, right? This looks simple to trade, especially when the market's just crashing. It's like, hey, anybody can make money short in this type of market, right? But the problem is you get your little bounces, you get little pops, and this becomes a little bit more volatile, especially after a big move down. You can see how nice this moved from 290. From the 290 area, we got stuck at that resistance there, 290. We had support, we broke below, we got stuck after that support turned into resistance, and then from 290 all the way down there to the 250 area. So that's a 30 handle move, people. 40 handle move. I can't even do math today. That's how excited I am about seeing this type of action. But in general, that's the type of moves, that a lot of people just don't capitalize on. It's not that you don't capitalize, but this was like at 2 a.m. This move happened at like 2 a.m. So you're not always going to get those beautiful moves. And then, now today we're down. The market's down almost 3%. Does that mean it can't go lower from here? No, but does that mean that there's going to be some volatility now the market's open? Everyone's trying to like jump in, trying to buy here and, trying to buy the dip. So at that point, it's kind of like, hey, I'm just going to put my hands in the air. I'm totally fine with making $283. If I make $283 every single day, I'd be chilling. So that's really what I'm focused on right now, is just these, easy Small gains, they add up quickly. They definitely add up quickly. And you can see right now what we got going on right now, that 247 area, 240, 249, 247. So market's crashing. We got some opportunity. You can see this move from the 260 down there, 247. That's a beautiful move right there. Back down there. All right, so I'm looking here at this little bit of support right here, trying to bounce for a short. If we can break below this, so kind of like a little bit of support here on the chart at 244 area. Looking to see if I can get a couple of contracts short. See if this will push back up a little bit. Kind of give me a little bit of a bounce here. Expecting some type of little bounce. Just need like a little bit of a bounce to get short. Don't want to just short right at that support area. I think we're going to lose it though. I don't think this is like going to really want to hold here. But expecting a little bit of a bounce just as some buyers trying to step in there. So looking for something like this where we kind of bounce up a little bit. Let's see if we get it. Like 246 area, 247 would be nice. We're kind of just looking weak right here. I'm going to start adding because it just looks like we're not going to get a bounce. Might just keep selling here. See if we get something. Just expecting some type of little bounce. No bounce. Come on, baby. So continuing lower. Only one contract, so that's not really going to do much for me. But hey, we'll take another little green there. Another $10 to put me up on the day. Almost $300. So that's what we were looking for. I was looking for just a little bit more of a bounce there. Just didn't get the bounce to really kind of size in there. I would have liked to have sized in with, 5, 6 contracts. As we push up here to the 247 area, you can see now down there to 241. So that was what we were looking for, but just didn't get all the way down there. So I'm feeling like this could just be a little bit too much at this point. A lot of selling pressure for a little bit of time here from the 260 area down there to 240. A lot of selling pressure. It's been nothing but red for quite some time here on the SPY. So expecting some type of bounce here, some kind of dead bounce, kind of dead cat bounce, whatever you want to call it. So we'll see. We'll see what happens if this is going to try to push back up a little bit. Wow. Still selling. Still selling. Still selling. Oh, man. Here we go. Getting that bounce back here. Wow, not getting filled there. Looking for like 244 area to get filled. Just not getting up there. 244 area now. Trying to be greedy here with my entries, but I was like I might have missed out on that. You can see kind of watching this resistance here. So I want to see this I want to see these candles kind of push up here this resistance area and get stopped. It's not getting the pop we're looking for here. There's the drop. No pop, just a drop. I'm going to take some here. I think we can continue the selling pressure. So here we go. Continuing selling pressure. Ooh, a little bounce back. A little bit of volatility here. See if we can get filled there. 328.75. Still got one more contract. And there we go. So now, over $300 in profit today. All right. Need to be a little bit more patient, but I kind of decided that I know it's a terrible idea, but I kind of had that like $300 goal in mind. If I could hit that $300 mark, that's what I was looking for. And I think at this point, I'm just gonna kind of walk away. What is it? Almost 11 o'clock. So there she goes, a little bit lower now, down there at 328. So pretty good ad there. Pretty good ad there at the 240, and then down there at 238. So we'll take it. There she goes, 337 now. So, hey, not bad. Still 100% green today. If you look at, still green today, 100% on the money today. So I'll take it, and I'm going to walk away. Definitely going to walk away now. It's been a wild ride today. Definitely been a wild ride. Up, down, all around the market's been just going wild today. Definitely a day to be trading the futures, as the small cap market looks pretty boring and pretty weak. NBC made a big move this morning, but it crashed back down afterwards. So I'm going to walk away with my $300 in profit, and I'm going to finish this video up, and I'm going to talk to you guys tomorrow morning at 8:50 a.m. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, like button, and all the buttons down below. I will talk to you guys later on. If you're still watching this video, don't worry. There's a lot more videos right here on the #1 day trading channel for you to check out and learn more about day trading. So don't be afraid and check out these videos right over here. 1, 2, newest and latest and greatest videos for you to check out. Also, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already.